Young upstart investment firm Cytonn has unveiled 49 billion shillings real estate investment pipeline as it seeks to entrench itself in the market. To carry out the development projects, the investment firm has set up a real estate subsidiary to oversee and align development strategy to the expectation of investors. The investment firm plans to raise 10 billion shillings equity from global and institutional investors through a real property fund, while the other 30 billion shillings would be raised through a bond and bank credit. Cytonn has so far raised 2 billion shillings for the project through private placement. The first project on the cards is the Amara Ridge development in Karen that sits on 5 acres of land. That project is expected to break ground in August.
If you look at around 8 projects, the amount of capital that will be required to do the development is worth 50 billion. And this is the way we get to the 50 billion. Around 30 billion will be bank debt. You never finance a project purely using equity. So around 30 billion, we will get bank debt both locally and globally. Then around 10 billion will be financing that we call mezzanine. It's not bank debt, neither is it equity. It's in between debt and equity. And then 10 billion will be financed through an equity fund, the Cytonn Real Estate Fund, which is a fund for global investors to invest in real estate through an offshore entity. So that's how we get to the 50 billion, and the 50 billion is across 8 projects.